Welcome to Yes channel. Remember to like and subscribe. Adjectives and adverbs. Slow, slowly. The snail is slow. It crawls very slowly. Quick, quickly. The fox is quick. It can run very quickly. Quiet, quietly. The mouse is quiet. It nibbles on cheese quietly. Bad, badly. The singer is bad. She sings very badly. Beautiful, beautifully. The sunset is beautiful. It paints the sky beautifully. Easy, easily. The puzzle is easy. You can solve it easily. Happy, happily. The child is happy. He plays with his toys happily. Good, well. The cake tastes good. Grandma bakes it well. Fast, fast. The cheetah is fast. It runs very fast. Hard, hard. The test is hard. You have to study hard. See you again on Yes channel. Remember to like and subscribe.